Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Deck 101. In today's episode video, we are going to show you how to install the CargoGlide from Decked on top of the new deck drawer system. It's a super easy install, and you may be wondering, well, how do I know if I have a new deck drawer system or an old one? Well, it's easy to tell. You probably just bought it. That means it's new. But if you look at your drawer system, on the corners here, you'll see in the new drawer system, there are no ammo cans. And on the old drawer system, you actually had these molded bins in the corners. So if there is a pass-through that takes you right to the wheel well, you have a new deck drawer system. One of the cool things about the development of the new products for us was we were able to integrate the drawer system and the CargoGlide. In the past, we had to do some drilling. We've enabled this with a no drill install. You'll just need to purchase the bracket kit separately if you're buying these two products together or you're trying to put one with the other. And the bracket kit actually bolts right to the integrated bed tie downs on top of the drawer system. Really easy, no drill, just a handful of bolts, which is also cool because if you decide you want to run your truck without the CargoGlide on top, it's really easy. Just pop it off in a few minutes and you're off to the races. So without any further ado, we're going to jump right in and show you how to do this. Okay, big timer, to get this job done and back to your barbecue or a game of t-ball with Timmy, you're going to need a few things to install your CargoGlide on top of your drawer system. It's a pretty short list, so don't blink. You're going to need a 3/16 hex wrench or a cordless drill with a 3/16 hex bit, that is if you're in a hurry, one 1/2 inch socket, and a trusted friend who is not registered union labor and can lift at least 50 pounds above his waist. Again, this install video is for the new deck drawer system. You can easily tell if you have the new system as you will not have the ammo can storage bins in the four corners, but rather pass-throughs where you can see all the way to your wheel well. Step 1, get ready to rumble. Install your deck drawer system into your truck's bed. Take a second and install the stash bins and the stash bin lids at this point, because depending on your truck bed, they could be a real bugger to deal with once you get the CargoGlide tray installed. Then grab your free-range friend and remove the tray from the CargoGlide by releasing the latch and sliding it out, lifting as you go. Look underneath and you can see what needs to be done. Step 2, prep for the decked-ocalypse. Take your 3/16 hex wrench and remove the 4 D-ring tie downs in the 4 corners. Save the hardware because you'll use these shortly, and don't be sad if you just installed these. They were necessary to align the deck panels properly. From each side, remove the bolt, which is on the tailgate end in the middle position on both sides of the deck panel. Do not remove the 2 bolts, which are on the cab side of the middle of the panel. Keep this hardware handy as you will need it in a minute. Place one of the hockey puck looking spacers in your hardware kit into each depression from which you removed a bolt. There are 6 total. Step 3, do the bracketalia. Lay out the 6 brackets we provided in your kit. This is a little bit of an IQ test, so take a minute to study the illustration in the instructions and place them in the correct location and position. Pay close attention to correctly align the proper hole in the bracket with the tie-down location on the deck panel. Ensure the threaded mounting pins are pointing up, which should be a no-brainer. If you want, you can reinstall the D-ring tie-downs on top of the CargoGlide frame and brackets. It's totally up to you. We didn't do it in this video ourselves. Not really sure why, maybe we're just lazy. Anyway, insert a tie-down bolt through a washer and the bracket into the tie-down location in the deck panel. Leave these loose for now. Step 4, go fetch your buddy. Go fetch your buddy from the bar and have him help you carefully place the CargoGlide bottom frame on top of the no-drill brackets, aligning the frame slots over the corresponding threaded pins. The wheels on the bottom frame must be located on the tailgate end of the bed. Drop the 12 washers over the pins and thread the nuts loosely into position. Just leave these loose for now. Step 5, get her dialed in. Center the CargoGlide frame left and right using the deck pattern as a guide. Tighten the 12 nuts on the threaded pins to their brackets firmly. Get your assistant to help you one last time to install the CargoGlide tray. Drop the wheels on the tray into the slots on the frame. Push it forward a bit and lift to drop the safety pins attached to the tray into the slots. Depress the latch handle and slide the tray satisfyingly forward in the frame. Verify your fitment. Make sure the tray is pulled out at least 1/2 inch away from the cab side bulkhead of the bed. Close the tailgate and make sure that bad boy is nice and snug in there and not contacting the tailgate, and adjust it accordingly. Now, grab your 3/16 inch hex wrench and crank down the D-ring bolts tightening the frame to the deck panels. There you did it. So rip off a few impressive flexes for the neighbors, perform 2 karate kicks, and make that hot sizzling sound for the kids. All right, that's it. Nice work. If you were doing this at home by yourself, very easy, very intuitive. The new drawer system and CargoGlide installation, so easy, even I can do it. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments of this video. Drop us a DM on social media, phone call, smoke signal, direct messages, live chat, whatever it is you prefer to communicate with. We're here to help. And if you're a customer already, thank you for your business. And if you're on the fence, look forward to making a customer a deck.